welcome. I am Denise, and this is my beautiful goddaughter, Francisca, and together we are going to be showing you how we make our family favorite cheesecake. And for today, we are going to show you how to make 2 cheesecakes. So one for you, one for your friend, one for your neighbor, or if you just love cheesecake that much, for yourself. I like to leave my cream cheese out for a few hours before using it. It helps break down your cream cheese to a easy creamy texture a whole lot easier when it's at room temperature. And today we are going to be using 2 cream cheese packets. Today I will be using my handheld mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, you can go ahead and use that. So you are first going to start off with a medium speed when it comes to breaking down your cheesecake. And you just want to keep doing circles while you are doing that. I like to just whisk my cream cheese alone without any other ingredients before adding any other ingredients. I like my cream cheese to become creamy before adding anything else. It just makes the process a whole lot easier. We are done breaking down our cream cheese. I like to go ahead and add my leche lechera into my mixture. Once I add my leche lechera, I like to whisk that in with the rest of my batter, and I like to do things step by step. It just makes things a lot better. It tastes better in my opinion, but this is how we do it. And then I add 1 can of carnation milk. I had already used a tiny little bit in something else, so I saved the rest in my mason jar, and I am going and adding all of that in. And here's Francisca's slime. Once you have mixed everything in, you are going to add 2 eggs into your batter. Mix your eggs in well at a medium to high speed. Now for some balance, I like to add a few drops of lime into my mixture because it kind of balances out all that sweetness. I am adding 4 drops of lime juice, but you can add 2, 6, 8, it's all up to you. Once all your ingredients have been placed in your bowl, you are going to put the speed up as high as it goes and just quickly and blend that in as best as you can. The way you know your batter is completely done is when there are no more cream cheese little balls in your batter. That's when you know it's done. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights. We're a big in the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the. If you are new here, this is my oldest son, Matthew. He wanted to make a little appearance and help us make cheesecake. It's something he actually loves to do with me, and since his cousin was here, he wanted to join in too. And our batter is completely done. This is how it's going to look, completely creamy, completely clear of any cream cheese balls. That's how we know it's done.
Yes. And you need to eat it so softly. It's cheese.
Yes. Alright.
So it's cheese and cake.
Yes.
So we need to put. It's like a pancake. It's like a pancake, Mommy.
Like a pancake, yeah. Kind of looks like a pancake.
And
like the birthday batter.
Put it nice and
You like this, Tita? Point at the. You are going to set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I used to cook or bake my cheesecake to about 340, and it used to overbake my cheesecake all the time. So my new favorite baking Fahrenheit temperature is 325. You are going to want to place it on your top rack. If you place it on your bottom rack, it will burn sometimes or over bake. Then set your timer to 35 minutes. Fork or a toothpick, you can go ahead and place it in the center of your cheesecakes. If it comes out clean, you are ready to go and it's ready to come out of the oven. So I used to overbake my cheesecake. How do I know I overbaked it? When the top of it would start to crack. That's when you have overbaked your cheesecake. So this is a perfectly baked cheesecake. Baking is definitely one of my favorite things to do with my littles. I hope that when they get older, they remember all of our fun baking events together.
I love my Nina.
Oh, you love your Nina?
I love you, Nina.
I love you.
I love Nina too.
You love your Nina?
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys have fun making cheesecake?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the batter.
The batter. What was your favorite part, Puppy?
The batter too.
The batter. It looked like pancake?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
And like you, Nina, and like birthday cake.
I like birthday cake batter. My favorite part was making cheesecake with you two.
Oh.
Yeah. All right.
Like this video, click on the comments down below. Bye bye for now. Subscribe.
And that does it for us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tag me over on my Instagram if you guys are going to be making this. Please follow me over on my Instagram when I am not updating you guys here on my YouTube channel. I am staying very active over there. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. I love making baking and cooking videos for you guys. I love doing cleaning and grocery hauls and sharing my mommy life with you guys. So please stay tuned for more videos and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!